it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix Snapchat video call is not working. So let's get started. Well, if you're trying to make a call with one of your friends on Snapchat, so here for example, I'm gonna tap on my chats and then choose a random user, for example this one. Here if you tap on the video icon, so I want to make a video call with that user and it's just not working, or it shows there's an error. And here the first thing we're going to do to fix this problem, we're going to go out from here and we're going to open up our settings. Here scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. And now choose permissions. Again, tap on permissions. And here, tap on camera. And make sure that Snapchat has access to your camera. So here it is set to allow only while using the apps. So here I give Snapchat access to my camera. And make sure also that Snapchat has access to your microphone. So here, if it's yours, it is set to don't allow, then change it to allow only while using the app. Now I'm just gonna go back from here. And now I'm gonna tap on manage apps and look for Snapchat. So here the second way to fix this problem is to tap on clear data, then clear cache and confirm. And that should fix your problem. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.